Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to a page in Notion. If you use Notion to organize projects, tasks, notes, or team information, adding properties is one of the easiest ways to make your pages more useful. Properties let you track specific kinds of information directly on a page, such as dates, status updates, assignees, tags, or simple checkboxes. Once you know where to find them and how to set them up, customizing a page becomes very quick and intuitive. To begin, open the page you want to edit from inside your Notion database. Click on any page so it expands into full page view. This is important because it gives you a clearer workspace and makes the page settings and property area easier to access. If you are working inside a database like a table, board, or list, opening the page fully helps you focus on the details for that specific item. Once the page is open, look just below the page title. In that area, you'll see the option that says Add a Property. Click on the plus sign and the Add a Property option to start creating a new field for that page. This is where Notion allows you to customize what information you want to store and display. After that, choose the property type. Notion offers several options depending on what kind of data you want to track. For example, you might choose status if you want to show progress, date if you need a deadline or schedule, person if you want to assign the page to someone, multi-select if you want to apply multiple tags, or checkbox if you just need a simple yes or no field. The best choice depends on the kind of information you plan to update regularly. So take a moment to pick the type that matches your workflow. Next, name your property. Type a clear and specific label, such as due date or assignee, and then press Enter. Giving your property a descriptive name makes it much easier to understand at a glance, especially if your database contains many pages or if other people will also be using it. And that's it. Once you've added the property, it becomes part of that page's information structure and can help you keep everything more organized and easier to manage. If you want your Notion setup to feel cleaner and more functional, adding well-named properties is a simple but powerful step.